Attention. We are all doing this because Ms. Barnes is forcing us, but here's my last lecture. Me growing up as a kid, I've had ups and downs, but mostly it was all happy. I've never really had any traumatic things happen in my life, but I always was a happy kid. I used to dress up all the time when I had certain occasions. I used to always enjoy wearing suits whenever I was going somewhere. So as you can see in the photos passing by, I'm wearing suits. That's what I used to do as a young child. Here I go, I'm talking about high school. High school has changed me over the course of these last 4 years. It has been an interesting thing in my life. It has shown me who's real and who's not real and what to expect in the real world after high school. I am going to go to college after I graduate from Butler Traditional High School. I am proud to say that after me being bad my freshman and sophomore year, that I'm still able to graduate from this terrific high school. High school isn't as easy as I thought it was going to be. I thought it was going to be a cakewalk in the park, but I didn't realize that I was going to have as much homework and as many tests as I did at Butler. Butler was hard my freshman and sophomore year due to the fact that I wasn't used to having to do homework all the time and study really hard for my tests. I got the hang of that really quick, so then school became very easy for me. I learned that my junior senior year that I have to do homework and not to study for my tests, and it will be as easy as the teachers make it be. So let's get to the things that people remember, such as getting your permit in high school, going to junior and senior prom, and all the other events that come in high school. I haven't really made it to do all my senior activities yet. Only thing that we have did was senior prom, and I didn't go because I really just didn't want to. I went to junior prom, I didn't go to senior prom. At least I went to one of them. I didn't go to both of them though. But then when I was a senior, I knew because I had to take this picture. This picture was a really memorable moment. It was a very good year of football. I played football all 4 years at Butler, but my senior year was a very memorable time. It really showed me that football team makes a brotherhood. I really had an interesting time this year because we changed the atmosphere of Butler. We had been going on a losing streak the last few years, but we changed that this year and we posted a winning record. So we were very proud of ourselves. The senior class really changed the program, and we always went by trust the process. All in all, high school has been a great experience. I've had my ups and I've had my downs, but I've had more ups than I've ever had downs. So all I would like to say is that it's been a great run, and I have friends that'll be lifelong friends. Barnes, once again, I'm going to tell you, I'm only doing this because I don't want to have a bad grade in your class. But all I'm going to let you know is I always want you to show all your class this part. The class of 2018 is the best class to ever walk through Butler Traditional High School, and that will never change. That's a known fact. Hey Barnes, I'm just letting you know, this only took me about an hour and 30 minutes. I just started working on it today. But this is my last lecture, and I'm out.